Hi guys, this is Tehran, capital city of Iran. So today I decided to take my Indian husband to Bird Garden of Tehran. After driving for half an hour, we reached to the largest and most complete bird garden in Iran that was launched in May 2013. This park is considered one of the most beautiful parks in the country and the most attractive tourist attractions in Tehran. How is this place?
It is so beautiful.
Really? The size of this garden is 17 hectares where 168 species of birds including 3,000 birds live in it.
They are doing yoga. Really? They are doing yoga.
And what you doing?
Hello. Salam. She's running.
If you liked it, please support us.